Hi Poi friends, it's a good day and welcome back to my channel. So today we are still in quarantine and I just feel like talking about some sensitive stuff. Sensitive nga ba? Basta something personal sa ating lahat, and baka merong iba sa atin na ngayon naka-quarantine is also trying to move on dahil mabigat dito. Pero ayun nga guys, so let's just make it light and I just want to share some steps on how to move on easily. This might not work for everyone. This might not be something that anyone can understand or can relate to, and that's absolutely fine kasi may iba-iba tayong perceptions and may iba-iba rin tayong ways on how to really move on and stuff, right? So with that being said guys, stay fabulous and let's flow.
Now, I'm letting go and stripping away all the negativities. I know a lot of blessings are coming my way, and I am ready because...
Katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, we will talk about moving on. So let me just share some tips on how to move on. Pero yun nga ulit, disclaimer lang, this might not work for everyone kasi nga may iba-iba tayong ways of how to move on. Pero I just really wanna share this, wala lang, tip ko lang. Okay? So, let's move on. Kasi nga this is about moving on, so let's move on. First step number 1 is to be bold. Be bold about how you feel, about your emotions, about how you think of the current situation that you are in. 'Di ba? Lahat ng tao dumadaan sa moving on, lahat ng tao dumadaan sa heartaches, sa heartbreaks. So that's absolutely fine and that's absolutely understandable. Pero guys, when I say be bold, do not share it on social media, it wouldn't help. Do not let the world know na may pinagdadaanan kayo. You can just choose a person, at least one person, or a very small group of people that you really trust, your family, your best friend, your childhood friends, di ba? And let it out. Let them know how you really feel. Be bold about it. Kasi may intindihan naman nila yan eh. Nasaktan ka. Di ba? So ilabas mo. Kasi the more that you keep it to yourself, the more na mas matagal yung process hanggang sa isang araw na lang bigla kang iiyak ng todong-todo. So, huwag mo nang hintayin na tumagal pa siya. Kung kaya mo ngayon na ilabas siya, ilabas mo. Kung ayaw mong sabihin sa ibang tao, edi sa sarili mo, magkulong ka sa kwarto. At least, wag naman buong araw, please, kasi magutom ka na at kailangan mo rin kumain at maligo. Tapos, umiyak ka on your own, and that's absolutely fine. Just be bold about it. Kasi sabi nga nila, diba, endure the pain, and it will eventually be gone. So, be bold about it. Walang nakakahiya sa pagiging heartbroken. Okay? Lahat ng tao dumadaan dyan. So, be bold about it, feel it, endure it. Second step would be to try new things. Try new things. Learn meditation, learn yoga. If you haven't done any exercise, then I think you should start doing some exercise now, especially nasa bahay lang naman tayo. 'Di ba? So, mag-exercise kayo, mag-meditate kayo, mag-yoga kayo, mag-drawing kayo kung, 'di ba? Or gumawa kayo ng kanta, gumawa kayo ng lyrics, gumawa kayo ng tula. Just try new things and then marirealize nyo, okay, kaya ko pala itong gawin, ang galing no, bakit hindi ko pa ito noon sinubukan? Kasi now you have the time to learn new things. Third step would be for you to enhance your skills. Kasi for sure, may mga nagagawa ka before na hindi mo na nagawa while you are in a relationship. Kasi nga, marami rin kayong ginagawa together, or marami kang ginagawa for him or her, or siya rin, marami siyang ginagawa for you. Kaya nakalimutan mo na yung mga dati mong ginagawa. So why don't you take this time to enhance your skills? If you used to cook it, then why don't you cook again? 'Di ba? Learn new recipes. If you were playing the guitar before, why don't you learn new chords now? If you were doing some things before na you wish you could have done while in a relationship, then now you have all the time to do them all again. 'Di ba? Enhance them. Doon mo marirealize na, okay, so kaya ko pa pala to and I can be better. See? Now I'm better with doing this. Okay, so now, nagigets nyo guys? Take it as an inspiration to do what you love to do again. Or a motivation, 'di ba? You choose. Motivation or inspiration. Fourth step would be to love yourself. Yes, love yourself. You've given a lot of love from the past, 'di ba? You've given a lot of love to that person from your past before. And I think this time, yourself deserves that love. How can you give that love to yourself? By thinking peacefully. Do not stress yourself. I know you are in a stressful situation right now, but as much as possible, do not stress yourself, 'di ba? Love yourself. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo sa pag hindi Mahalin mo yung sarili mo sa hindi pagbibigay ng stress sa sarili mo. Skincare. Make yourself better. Physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Kasi sabi nga nila, diba, the best revenge that you can do is to make yourself better. So, kung dati hindi ka masyadong nag-skincare, tapos ngayon since you have all the time nga, since nasa bahay lang naman tayo, then i-boost natin yung skincare natin. Mag-exercise tayo. Ulitin ko, mag-exercise tayo. Let's make ourselves fitter. Kung yun yung magiging motivation nyo, diba, to be fit, then go ahead, do it by all means. Take vitamins. Let that glow from inside of you be seen outside, diba? So, guys, I'm telling you, if you know how to love yourself, then a lot of people will notice that even without you noticing, and you will be more lovable. So just love yourself. Give that love to yourself. You deserve that love. Kung ang ibang tao deserve that love, then deserve mo din yung love na yan. And give it to yourself, okay? Just give that love to yourself. Step 5 would be to do things that you were doing together alone. Yes. Kapag tapos mo nang i-let out sa mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, naiyak mo na lahat, nakapagsulat ka na, may mga natutunan ka ng bago, naging busy ka na dahil ini-enhance mo nga yung skills mo before at kasabay na itong mga bago mong natutunan, and then peaceful ka na mentally and emotionally at yung pawis ko tumutulo. So, I think this time, kaya mo nang gawin yung mga ginagawa nyo before together ng mag-isa. Kung dati kailangan pag nanonood ka ng movie, let's say horror movie, sanay ka na laging pinapanood magkasama kayo kasi ayaw mo manood nun mag-isa, why don't you try watching it now? Since nasanay ka naman na, di panoorin mo ulit ngayon mag-isa, baka mas ma-appreciate mo yung film. Or, kung dati nasanay ka na pinagluluto ka niya, since ngayon nga na may natutunan ka ng bago, nakapag-enhance ka na rin ng mga dati mong skills, baka kaya mo naman palang iluto yung mga niluluto niyang dish for you before at mas masarap pa, 'di ba? And then you will realize, okay, so kaya ko pala tong gawin mag-isa. And okay, so I can actually do better. And it feels good to be doing all of these again alone. And then mapuprove mo sa sarili mo na you don't need him or you don't need her to do those things. Kasi kaya mo, you are stronger now. You are tougher now. Step number 6 would be to be grateful. I believe that in every adversity, there is an opportunity. So be grateful for this adversity that you are going through right now kasi this is an opportunity. Pero Poi, paano siya naging opportunity? Ang sakit. Ang bigat. Hindi ko na alam yung gagawin ko. Ito na lang isipin mo, pagkatapos ng stage na to, pagkatapos mo malampasan lahat ng to, you are stronger, you are better, you are wiser. At ang dami mo nang alam ngayon kasi nga you've learned new things, 'di ba? So it's an opportunity for you to grow. It's an opportunity for you to learn a lesson. It's an opportunity for you to really appreciate yourself. So again, guys, when I say appreciate yourself, don't be narcissistic, alright? So just love yourself. And be grateful kasi napagdaanan mo to. This is His way of preparing us, getting us ready for the next steps or the next person. And that next person could be the right person na talaga for us, who will be with us, 'di ba? For a lifetime. So be grateful. Dahil dito naging mas matapang tayo, dahil dito mas naging mas malakas tayo, dahil dito mas ginagamit na natin ngayon yung isip natin. Hindi ako naniniwala na you should use your head over your heart when you are in love, or you should use your heart over your head or your brain when you are in love. Both should be used wisely. I-balance natin yung paggamit kasi hindi pwedeng puro puso lang, hindi rin naman pwedeng puro utak lang. Okay? So, ang dami mong natutunan, ang daming nangyari. You are now a better version of yourself. So, be grateful about it. The 7th step would be to be ready. Be ready kasi eto na, malapit nating ma-meet si the one. 'Di ba? Kung hindi man siya yung the one, na dadating sa susunod. Then, baka yung after niya. And that's fine. Just always be ready. Be ready for another pain. Be ready for another heartbreak. Just always be ready. Guys, tao tayo. Kaya normal lang na masaktan tayo. Pero ito na lang yung isipin nyo. Mas maganda na hindi tayo yung nakakasakit. 'Di ba? Sabi ng mommy namin, mas maganda nang ikaw yung nasaktan kaysa ikaw yung nananakit. Some of you may disagree, but that's your own perception. Pero ako, I truly believe na mas maganda na hindi ikaw yung nanakit. Doon na lang tayo mag-focus. At least hindi ikaw yung nanakit. So be ready kasi we wouldn't know. We cannot say kung ito bang susunod na tao, siya na ba talaga. Pero at least we are ready din kung sakali na yung susunod na taong dumating is siya na talaga, 'di ba? So always be ready kasi lahat ng nangyaring to, it's him preparing us, 'di ba? Getting us ready. Ito na lang isipin nyo. Maraming taong dadaan sa buhay natin. It could be a friend, it could be a partner. Pero not all of them are meant to stay. Some of them can only be with us for a short moment or a short period of time for us to learn something, to help us grow, to help us realize things. So be grateful about that. Pwede rin itong taong to dumaan sa atin kasi tayo yung may purpose naman sa kanya. So kung nawala siya, isipin nyo na lang, tapos na yung mission natin sa buhay niya, nakatulong na tayo sa kanya. Just always be optimistic, guys. Walang taong hindi nasasaktan. Lahat ng tao nasasaktan. So, it's okay to feel that. And tayo magkakasama, sabay-sabay tayo, we can all move on. 'Di ba? Kasi, on a daily basis, we move on. 'Di ba? Pagkagising natin sa umaga, we have already moved on from yesterday. So, it's not really that difficult. Hindi siya ganun kadali. Masakit siyang proseso. Pero kailangan nating pagdaanan para mas maging matibay at mas malakas tayo. So yun lang guys, I have nothing else to share and I hope this video is somewhat helpful or relatable. And if you agree, please do hit the thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And if may share kayo on other tips on how to move on, you can comment it down below. I will read it. And baka nga may matutunan din ako sa inyo, 'di ba? So sabay-sabay tayong matuto, sabay-sabay tayong mag-grow, sabay-sabay tayong mag-move on. So again, X tayo kay Negatrons and push tayo kay Optimus Prime and see you on my next video.